Assalamu alaikum, viewers. You and I all know that America, that is, President Donald Trump, knows how to do very big politics. Why did President Donald Trump come in the middle when the war between Pakistan and India broke out in May 2025? And when the war between Israel and Iran broke out a few days ago, why did America attack and stop the war? Do you know the game? No? So let's go ahead in the video and tell you. Let's start the video. America, the strongest country in the world, where all the good and bad decisions of all the countries in the world are made. This country is located at an area of 98,033,520 square kilometers, and it is the third largest country in the world. This is the land where every generation of the world is found. But the most white people, that is, the British, live here. Viewers, the war between Pakistan and India broke out in May 2025. India began to attack Pakistan by keeping the incident of the war in front of it. Pakistan remained silent, and America also watched silently until Pakistan was damaged. Then when Pakistan responded, it destroyed the world's best aircraft Rafales taken from India's France, and destroyed Russia's world's best defense system, S-400. And this was Pakistan's great victory. When America and France saw that Pakistan had damaged our technology, President Donald Trump jumped in the middle. And Pakistan tried to reconcile between India and stop the war. In this way, all the credit went to America. You can guess from this that America is only with the infidels, not with the Muslims. If it was with the Muslims, or if there was such a big claim for peace, then it would not have killed the Muslims like this in Palestine. You also know that only America is behind Israel. If America is not behind Israel, then Israel is nothing, nor does it have any status. If we look at the role of Donald Trump in the war between Iran and Israel, so as long as Iran and Israel kept fighting and Iran kept suffering more, Trump was silent. In fact, he kept threatening Iran and supporting Israel. When Trump saw that Iran was not backing down and was blowing Israel's drums, he jumped in the middle and sent the world's latest bomber B-2 from America and attacked Iran's 5 points. These 5 places were where Iran made its nuclear weapons and protected them. Before this attack in America, Iran had sent all the goods to another safe place. This statement was issued by Iran after the bombing. On the other hand, protests began in America. That Donald Trump attacked without asking any courts and did not trust anyone. American people came out of their homes and protested against Donald Trump. America says that we destroyed those places in Iran where it was trying to become a nuclear power. But now the report shows that Iran did not suffer any loss from those attacks in America, and this is Allah's special grace on Iran. In response, Iran dropped missiles on the American airfields in Kuwait, Qatar, and Saudi Arabia. The whole of Arabia began to tremble with fear, but there was no loss of life because Iran had already warned all these countries that these airfields should be emptied because now I have to shoot missiles at them. After these attacks, America opened its eyes. After this attack in America, Iran also closed that part of the world, from where 40% of the world's oil and the rest of Asia's commodities are made. This sea is called Hormuz Strait. This sea belongs to Iran, but it is the capital of Asia and Europe. After this decision by Iran, hundreds of ships were stranded in the sea, in which millions of dollars worth of goods were present. China spends most of its goods, and Arab countries spend most of their oil through these ships, which go to Europe and America. After Iran did this, Trump's eyes began to come out and sent a message to China to tell Iran not to close this sea route, because by doing this, America will lose billions of dollars. China, Russia, and Pakistan together explained to Iran and tried to solve this problem. Then finally, America stopped the war between Iran and Israel and became the claimant of peace. Iran is a brave and warrior country who is not afraid of anyone, and the whole world knows the truth about this. In this war between Iran and Israel, more than 900 Iranian Muslims were martyred, and about 5,000 were injured. May Allah raise the status of all these martyrs. In the same way, about 50 people of Israel were killed, and about 600 were injured. But Israel is not yet showing the number of dead. It is possible that the number is quite high. After these attacks by Iran, Israel became like a famine. It was a broken prey. The land was destroyed. The message of Israel's President Netanyahu came that Iran dropped bombs where there were hospitals and schools, where children and women were also present. But Netanyahu forgot how much cruelty they did to Palestine, killed the children there mercilessly, killed the women out of hunger, and this is what is going on there till today. Viewers, no doubt this apocalypse on Israel, it happened because of the curses of the children of Palestine. And may Allah make Muslims always victorious, and the sign of Israel be erased from this page. According to 22 June 2025, the total population of the United States is 3,472,465. America is the most modern country in the world, where going is the dream of every businessman. But America is also the most expensive country in the world. The capital of America is Washington, D.C. This city is extremely beautiful and clean. There is a White House in this city, where all decisions are made sitting. Viewers, America has 52 states, and every state has the status of a country. But keep adding to your knowledge. In the coming times, China is becoming the superpower country of the world, just like America is today. America is also the country of the world's largest businessmen. Every other person here is a millionaire. Millions of people visit America every year. The national language of America is English, and the majority here belongs to the Christian religion. The annual GDP of America is $30.507 trillion, and the average income of the people here is about $90,000. This is the second strongest economy in the world. There are many crimes in America, but the laws are strict, because of which a lot of restrictions are imposed. America's calling code is +1. So viewers, this was our beautiful documentary film today. How did you like it? Do express your opinion in the comment box. So see you with the next and best video. Allah Hafiz.